Yes, very good morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
This was not the problem. So in the last class, I had given one problem for the homework. So few we have solved and most of you are not solved. Why you are doing like that? You should have solved, no? I had given that problem 2 meter and 3 meter. Okay. So there was a force of this was the force. It was in vertical direction, and there is a force on the vertical direction here. It was in the vertical direction. So there was a force in the horizontal direction. Okay. Next, there is a force in vertical downward direction, and there is a force in horizontal direction. Okay. This is the horizontal. Correct? Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the problem? What is the name? So here it is A. So A, here it is B, here it is C, here it is D point. How much is A in force?
20,
20 Newton. B is 30.
30,
C horizontal is
60,
60. Vertical is
40,
40 Newton. This vertical is
50.
50 Newton. Yeah. Okay. What we have found out in the class? Moment about A we have found out, correct?
A. Yes.
So moment about A we have found out. That is summation of moment about A we have found out, and it was answer is how much is the answer?
160 Newton meters.
Newton
Meters.
Is it clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise. Okay, this was the answer, and I had given the answer homework for
C and D.
C. Okay. So next solution. So in the solution, moment about C point. Okay, moment about C point. So how to find out the moment about C point? So when it is asked for the moment about C point, this is the point, correct? So first you have to fix this point. So I will start from the A point. So what is A? A is moving in horizontal direction. So what I will do, I will draw line of axis. Okay, so this is the line of axis, correct? Everyone, moment A का line of axis इधर है. So 60 Newton force or 60 force is this is the 60 Newton. Okay, this is 60 Newton. This is the point, moment about C. What is the distance between this force and the line of action of this point? So what is the distance? How much is the distance it is given?
2 meters.
It is vertically is 3 meter. Vertically
Sir,
is 3
vertical
meter.
is 3, yes, 3.
3 meter. Horizontal is 2 meter.
2.
So first what I will take? I will take the force. So force. This is this force is about the point C. The 60 Newton force is passing through the point C. Is it producing any moment?
No.
This 60 Newton force is passing through the C point, given point. So it is not producing any moment. Then what is the perpendicular distance between the sorry. A point? No, this is the force, not that force. This is the force I am considering. A force. A में कितना है? 20 Newton force. This is the line of action of the force. And this is the point. I want to find out moment about C. What is the distance between the point and the line of action of the force? How much it is?
3 meter.
It is 3 meter. And this is the force. This force is moving, rotating the body in this direction, correct? So this is producing clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Now this is plus or minus? Plus. This is 20 Newton force. So 20 Newton force. How much is the perpendicular distance between the line of action of this force and the point? How much it is? It is
3.
Clear this first point? Okay. Second point. This is the 30 Newton force. This 30 Newton force का line of action of force कैसे है? So that is vertical or horizontal? Is it vertical or horizontal?
Vertical.
From this point to this point it is vertical.
Vertical.
Okay. Line of action of force, is it passing through the given point or not?
Yes, sir. Passing
Yes.
through the.
Yes, sir.
Given through the passing point.
Yes. Is it producing any moment or not?
Not.
No.
Not.
So it means, so this is plus 30 Newton into perpendicular distance is 0.
0.
Okay. Next, coming to the C point. C point mein, first I will consider horizontal force. The horizontal force is passing through the given point. It means plus 60. How much is the perpendicular distance? It is
0,
0.
Zero.
Next, I will consider vertical force 40 Newton. So plus 40. So it is also passing through the given point. How much it is producing? It is 0.
Zero.
Next, I will consider D point. Okay, D. So the line of action of the force D is how it is? It is vertical direction. Correct. So this is line of action of the force. Okay. So this is the line of action of force. The point is here. The perpendicular distance is how much? How much it is? It is 2 meter.
2 meter.
Next, is it producing clockwise or is it producing anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
So this is the point fixed. So this is more rotating like this. Hence, it is producing clockwise. Plus, how much is the force? 50.
50.
The distance is 2 meter.
2.
So the answer is this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. So this is
160.
it is plus
Same, sir.
160.
160, sir.
Newton meter. So is it producing clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise.
Clockwise. This is the answer. Correct? Is it clear, everyone? Then one more point. Which what is the one more point?
D.
D, sir.
D, na? Yes.
D.
Okay. See, when you consider about the D point, moment about D point. Concentrate, everyone. Okay, this is the point. Okay, I need to find out the moment about this point. First, I will consider A force. A force is moving like this. Okay, fix this point. When this is moving, the body is going to rotate like this. Correct? Is it producing clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
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 Okay. What is the distance between the point D and the line of action of the force A?
3 meter.
It is
3
3
meter.
meter. So clockwise
meter.
it is plus. Okay. Then force is 20 Newton. Vertical distance is 3 meter.
3 meter.
Okay. Next, I will come to the B point.
3.
So this is moving downward direction. So when it is moving, the body is moving in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction?
Clockwise.
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 Plus or minus?
Plus.
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 How much is the distance between the line of action of the force? Line of
3.
action of the force and the
3
line.
meter.
It is in a vertical
2 meter,
direction.
2
So
meter.
it is in vertical
2
direction.
meter,
correct?
sir.
2
2 meters.
here,
Sir.
2
D
meter.
to this point is it is 2 meter. So this is 2 meter plus 30 into 2 meter. Okay. Next, coming to the C point. So when you are coming to the C point, first I will take horizontal force. This horizontal force is passing through the point D, correct? Line of
Yes.
action. Is it
Yes.
producing
Yes,
any
sir.
moment?
No, sir.
No.
So 60 into
No, sir.
0.
0.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next,
Yes, sir.
when you are calculating for a vertical force, so this vertical force,
Yes, sir.
line of action of line force is like this. So the body is going to rotate in this
14
direction.
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise, that is
Anti-clockwise.
minus. Force is how much? 40 Newton.
14 Newton.
What is the distance between the
2
force
meter.
and D? It is 2 meter. Next, coming to the D point. D का point में कितना है force? How much is this force?
50.
50.
It is 50. So this 50 is passing through the given point D. So it is plus 50 into 0.
0.
Okay. So here it is. This is 0. This is 0. So how much it is? This is 60. This is 60. 120. This is
120
minus
minus 80.
80. Yeah. How much it is?
40 plus
Plus
40.
40 Newton
40 Newton.
meter. That is plus that is 40 Newton meter. So it is also clockwise direction. It is
Direction.
so हो गया answer. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So this was the problem given in the last class. You have to solve like this. So can I go for the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Whether the screen is visible full screen?
Yes.
Sir, white.
No, sir. Whiteboard.
Whiteboard is
Whiteboard, sir.
Okay.
White.
Now PPT is it screen visible?
Yes, yes. It's
Yes.
visible.
Yes, sir. Visible.
There is a
Okay.
problem.
So-
that force is 1.
Okay, now it is full screen, no? PPT.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this
Sir,
problem-
full screen.
Okay, this problem we have solved in the last class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this problem we will take. Okay. So what he has given? He has given one. This is just a metal piece. Okay. So there is a metal piece is there. There is different types of forces are acting. So what you have to find out? You have to find the moment of force about a point A. Where is the point? A is this is. Okay, you have to find out the moment. So all of you write on this problem. All of you write on this one. Find the moment of forces about a point A. About a point A for the given system of forces. For the given system of forces. Okay, so I will draw the same figure in the whiteboard. I will draw that first. So there is plate like this. Next, there will be another plate like this. Yeah, there is one more plate like this. Okay.
Sir, repeat question.
Find the moment about point A. Find the moment about point A. This is a force, vertical force, and there is a horizontal force. There is horizontal force. So again there is vertical force. Vertical force. Again there will be an inclined force. Inclined force with 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees he has given. Okay, 30 degrees with respect to horizontal. So this force is 55 kilonewton. 55 kilonewton. This force is 100 kilonewton. 100 kilonewton. And this force is 70 kilonewton. And this force is 60 kilonewton. 60 kilonewton. This is making okay. So here the distance is 2.5 meter. This distance is 2 meter. And this distance is 3 meter. So this is a point A. This is point B. This is point C. This is point D. Just a second. So this is a C. This is D. I'll just cross verify with PPT. A, B, C, D, 70, 100, 60, 255. Is it correct now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is asked? Is asked for the to determine. So he is asking to find out what to find out. What to find out? Moment about
A point.
moment about A. Okay. So he is how much to find out? To find moment about A. Okay. So don't write anything. Okay. All of you concentrate at the problem. How to solve this one? So which point is asked? Moment about A. So solution.
Point A.
Point A. So what I will do? I will fix this point first. I will fix this point. Okay. Now I will consider one by one force. I will start from the A, B, C, and D. See, in the C there is inclined force. So when there is inclined force, what I told? What I told?
Resolve a component.
We have to resolve the component that is horizontal component and vertical component. Okay. So can you tell me what is the horizontal component of this one?
60 cos 30.
Yes, 60 cos 30. And vertical is 60 sin 30.
Sign.
Okay. So first I'll start from the A point. Okay. Summation of moment about A point is equal to, so 55 kilonewton. So 55 kilonewton into, so I want the distance between the line of action of the force and the point. How much it is?
0.
0, because the force is passing through the given point. It is 0. Next, consider 100 kilonewton force. What is the distance? Force is 100. Distance between the force and the point A?
0.
0. Because the line of action the line of action of this force is passing through this point, correct? See, it is passing through
Yes,
the
sir.
given point. That's why the answer is that is distance is
Zero.
0. So it is plus 100 kilonewton into
Into
0.
zero.
Next, I will consider D point. Okay,
20.
A होने के बाद A होते हैं. Okay, the what is the force? How much is the force? That is 70 kilo. 70 is moving in the vertical direction. Okay, this is the line of action of the force. Then I want the distance between the A and line of action of the force. How much it is?
2.5.
2.5 meter.
That is, so when this is moving in the upward direction, the entire body fix this A point, moving in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction.
Anti-clockwise.
This entire body is moving anti-clockwise direction. That is minus 70 kilonewton into perpendicular distance is 2.5. Okay. Next, this is the force, 60 kilonewton force. So I will resolve that into horizontal component. So when you resolve this one, so this is the horizontal component. Beta, I will draw that one. So is it visible? Black color?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So next, one more is it is vertical component. Next, you have to consider this is how much horizontal component is how much? This is 60 cos 30. Next, vertical component is 60 sin 30 degree. Okay. So now what I will do, I will write it black color only so that you will get the correct answer. So the horizontal force is in horizontal direction. The line of action of force is like this, correct? The point is A. What is the distance between the A and the line of action of the force?
2 meter.
2 meter. Now, when this horizontal force is acting, the entire body about a point A moving in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction?
Clockwise.
So this is moving in clockwise direction. Okay. So the entire body moving in clockwise direction, correct? So that is plus force is how much? 60 cos 30 into perpendicular distance is how much? It is 2 meter. Okay. Now I will consider vertical force. Vertical force is 60 sin 30. When this is acting, so consider there is no any other force, only vertical force. When this vertical force is acting, entire body, is it moving in the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction?
Anti-clockwise.
Okay. So this is moving in anti-clockwise direction. So that is minus 60 sin 30 into. So it is in vertical direction. How much is the perpendicular distance between the point A and this one? How much? 2.5.
5.5 meter.
This is the line of action of force. So this is the point. So here to here it is 2.5, and from this point to this point is it is 3 meter is given. Total is
5.5 meter.
5.5. 5.5 meter. So now calculate the answer. How much it is? So all of you calculate the answer.
Minus 236.07.
Yes, correct. Minus 236.07 kilo Newton meter. So meter. So I will write it is 236.07 kilo Newton meter. It is negative. Negative means it is anti-clockwise direction. It is anti-clockwise direction. This is moment about a point A. Okay. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt?
No.
Okay. Okay. Write down. All of you write down. Okay, is it done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next the same problem I will take. I will ask you find moment about C point. Okay, so when it is asked moment about C point, so you have to write to find moment about C. So solution is finding moment about point C. Okay, so all of you concentrate and tell me what to write.
Sir,
Ah,
please repeat this question again. First,
first
A
one,
point.
A point.
Yes, sir.
सॉल्यूशन आपको चाहिए क्या और जस्ट क्वेश्चन?
Solution, sir. Solution.
Solution.
जरा समझ में आया.
ओके ओके, सो आपका नाम क्या है?
प्रथमेश.
प्रथमेश. रोल नंबर
15.
ओके 15 प्रथमेश. हाँ, सो व्हाट इज मोमेंट प्रथमेश? Moment means what? Define moment. What is moment? Moment means what? Tell me.
Moment is a rotational effect produced by force.
Okay,
on
okay,
a
that is
body.
physical हो गया. What is mathematical formula? Mathematical
What's-
formula क्या? Formula क्या है moment का?
Magnitude into perpendicular distance.
Magnitude of force into perpendicular distance. Okay, so when this moment is clockwise, then it is called as plus. Okay, so if it is clockwise, it is called positive. When it is anti-clockwise, it is called as minus. आपको इतना तो मालूम है ना? Okay.
Yes, sir.
I will consider moment about A point. Okay, so first I will consider from the A, B, D, and C. So in the A, the 55 kilonewton force is passing. Is it passing through the point or away from the point? It is passing through the point, correct? Line of action of this force is passing through the given point. हमको कहां पर moment find out करने का है, उधर ही जा रहे हैं ना. It means there is no perpendicular distance. A और line of action of the force के बीच में perpendicular distance नहीं. So इसके लिए क्या हो गया? The distance is 0 हो गया. So force is 55 into distance is 0 हो गया. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next I will come to the B point. The line of action of the force B is passing through the given point like this. Okay, it is also passing through the A. Means there is no perpendicular distance. The force is 100. Perpendicular distance is 0 हो गया. Next, consider vertical this D point. D point में 70 kilonewton force is moving in upward direction. So when it is moving in upward direction, so like this it is moving. There is a perpendicular distance between the A and line of action of the force. Correct? How much it is? It is 2.5 is given. Then so consider there is no any other forces. Only vertical force is acting. When this is acting, the entire body is moving anti-clockwise direction or clockwise direction. This entire moving in anti-clockwise direction. That's why I have written minus 70 into perpendicular distance is 2.5. Okay, Prathamesh.
Yes, sir.
Next, one more. C force is 60 kilonewton at an angle of 30 degrees is given. Okay, whenever there is an inclined force, you have to resolve into horizontal component and vertical component. Okay, consider first horizontal component, that is 60 cos 30. Consider there is no any other force, only 60 cos 30 is acting on this body. When this is acting, the entire body is rotating in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction?
Clockwise.
Clockwise. That's why I have written plus 60 cos 30 is the force. Then perpendicular distance. So when it is a horizontal direction like this, okay. So what is the distance between A and line of action of the force? How much it is? It is 2 meter. That's why I have written here 2 meter. Okay. Next,
Yes, sir.
I will consider vertical force. So there is no any other forces. Only vertical force is acting on the plate. Okay. When it is acting, the entire body is moving in the anti-clockwise direction or clockwise direction?
Anti-clockwise.
So that is anti-clockwise direction. That's why I have written minus. How much is the force? 60 sine 30 into. So the line of action of the force is vertical. So I want from the A से B तक कितना है? 2.5 है. Next B2, that is C, that is 3 meter. Total it is 5.5 meter. That's why I have written 5.5 meter. When you solve this one, you will get answer minus 236.07 kilonewton meter. Though minus means it is anti-clockwise direction. Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now Tatmesh, you have to tell me for the next. Okay. So next क्या है? I will take the same problem with respect to with respect to A point. Okay, sorry, not a point, it is C point.
C
It is C point. Okay, it is with respect to C point. So now tell me, what is C point? This is a C point, correct? Huh? Everyone. So I will fix this point. So starting from the A. So when you apply the force, tell me how it is moving. There is no any other force. Only 55 is there. It is moving in clockwise or anti-clockwise?
anti-clockwise.
That is minus. It is 55 kilonewton is force into how much is the distance between the A and C?
5.5.
5.5.
It is 5.5 meter. Next, I will coming to the second point, that is B point. It is moving purely horizontal direction, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Consider there
Yes,
is
sir.
there is no any other force. When there is a horizontal force, the body is rotating clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Clockwise.
So now, what is the distance between the B and C? Horizontal distance, vertical distance.
2 meter.
That is
2
2
meter.
meter. Anti-clockwise minus, it is 100 kilonewton is the force into 2 meter. Okay. Next, D point. It is in the vertical direction. Okay. When it is acting vertically, the entire body is moving clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Plus, tell me, 70 kilonewton. How
Into
much is the distance between
3.
D and C? It is 3 meter. Now, there is a 60 kilonewton inclined. So, there is a horizontal and vertical. Whether these two forces are producing any moment or not?
Not 0.
No, they are not
Zero.
producing
No.
any moment. Why?
Perpendicular distance.
Yes.
Passing through point.
Yes, they are passing through the given C point. There is no perpendicular distance. Hence, I will not write those 2 points. Okay, is it clear? So,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
calculate the answer.
Minus 292.5.
Yes, good. Minus 292.5 kilonewton meter. So, moment about C is equal to, that is 292.5 kilonewton meter. That is in anti-clockwise direction. That's why it is in negative sign. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So write on fast. Why all of you are writing your roll number in chat box? I will take attendance. So all of you have to be present. Already it is 58 members are present apart from me. Is it completed? Can I go for next?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this one is done. Next, we will solve this problem. So next problem, all of you read on. Find the moment with respect to A and C. Find the moment with respect to A and C. The same problem I will redraw in the whiteboard. Okay, here it is 60, here it is 50. Here the force is 20 Newton. It is 4 meter. Here it is 3.5 meter.
Sir, question सांगा बरं.
Find the moment about A and C. Find the moment about A and C. Find the moment about A and C. And this is the body, and there is a force. This is one force which is acting here, and there is one more force which is acting in the horizontal direction here, and there is one more force which is acting in this direction. Okay, so next is, it is given only name. How much it is given? It is given this is point A point. This is B point, C and D. So from here to here it is 2 meter. Here to here it is 2 meter. Means from the center point. This angle is given 20 Newton. Sorry, 20 degree. And this magnitude is given 20 Newton. And this first magnitude is given 60 Newton. 60 Newton. And this force is given 50 Newton. 50 Newton. This total horizontal is 4 meter. Total vertical is 3.5 meter. Okay. So he is asking to find out the moment, to find moment, summation of moment about A and C. A and C, moment about C. Okay. Everyone drawn?
Yes.
Okay. Solution. So first, what I will take? I will take 1 point. So write down. So first I will try to find out the moment about A. So finding moment about A, about point A. Okay. Point A. Okay. So how to write the point A? So now what I will do? I will fix this point first. So when you are fixing this point, this I will start from A, B, C, and D. Okay. So this 60 Newton force. So that is moment about A is equal to, okay, this 60. I am fixing the point A. 60 Newton force is passing through the A. Whether this 60 is producing any moment or not?
Not.
No, it is not producing. It is not producing.
60 into
So
0.
60
60
into
into
0.
0.
Next, this I will come to the point B. This 50 Newton force is horizontal, and the line of action of this force, the line of the action of this force, it is a horizontal. That is like this, correct? Like this. It is
Yes.
line. So it is also passing through the point A, correct?
Yes.
Yes,
Hence,
sir.
whether it is producing or it is not producing.
Not producing.
It is not
Not
producing.
producing.
So 50 into it is 0. Next, I will come to the point C. There is no force in the point C. So in between C and D, there is a inclined force of 20 Newton force. So when there is inclined force, so it is producing. Tell me, one is horizontal and one is vertical.
Vertical.
So this is horizontal force and this is vertical force. Okay. So how much is the horizontal force? That is, tell me, 20.
20.
Cos
20.
20. And vertical is 20.
20.
20 sin
Sin
20.
20. Okay. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now I will consider first horizontal component. So this is a horizontal. There is no any other force. Only horizontal. 20 cos 20 is acting on the body. Okay. Is it producing clockwise or anti-clockwise rotation?
Clockwise.
So clockwise.
Clockwise.
How much is the clockwise? That is plus.
Yes.
How much is the force? 20 cos 20 into. So this is the line of action. Okay, horizontal. What is the distance between the horizontal line of action and the point A? That is
3.5.
3.5.
3.5.
Yes, good. 3.5. Next, I will consider whether I need to consider 20 Newton or not. No,
Not, sir.
no, we are not supposed to consider. We have to consider vertical. Okay.
Vertical.
So when you are acting the vertical force, okay, so consider there is no any other force. This force is producing clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
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 That is minus. That is minus 20
Sin 20.
sin 20. Now this line of action of the force. Line of action of the force is it is in vertical direction. Correct. Next, what is the distance? This is the point A. Then what is the
meter.
distance between these
2
two?
meter.
2 meter.
It is
2
2
meter.
meter into 2 meter. Then total answer. Calculate the answer.
52.09.
Yes, it is 50 plus 52.09
52.09 kilonewton.
meter.
Meter.
That is 52.09 kilonewton meter.
Clockwise.
It is
Clockwise direction.
clockwise direction. Okay. So that is moment about A.
A.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there anyone who has not understood?
Yes, sir. It is clear.
No, I am asking who is not understood. Is there anyone who has not understood? Okay, read on all of you first. Okay, those who have completed, try for the moment about C. Try for the moment about C. Those who have completed, try for the moment C. Okay, all of you have completed first part.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Concentrated the point C. Okay. Now I will find out the moment about point C. Okay. I will ask roll number 1 to 10. 1 to 10. You have to reply me. Okay. Others don't reply. Okay. So moment about C. What I need to do first? I will have to fix this point. Okay. So fix करने के बाद which force I need to consider first?
A.
ये में कितना जा रहे? How much is the 60 Newton? Okay. So this is the force. About to A, C, I need to find out whether this is producing clockwise or anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. Okay. That is minus 60 Newton is force into perpendicular distance. This is purely horizontal. Vertical distance is that is 3.5 5 meter. Next, roll number 11 to 20. You have to reply. So next I will come to the point. Which point? Which point? Roll number 11 to B point. Okay. How much is the force acting? How much is the force?
50.
50. So consider there is no any other force. Only 50 is acting. This 50 will rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
With C. Anti.
Anti-clockwise. With
Yes.
about C. About C. Okay.
Yes.
That is important. About which point? That is important. About C.
Yes.
Okay. So now is it plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus. How much is the force? That is 50.
50.
Next, what is the perpendicular distance between the C and a line of action of the force P? How much it is? It is 3.5.
3.5.
Next, roll number 21 to 30. Which force I need to consider next? About C. There is no force in the C. Okay. When you are coming here, there is a horizontal force 20 cos 20. Okay. Is it producing any moment or no?
No,
No. Why?
it is passing through the point C.
Yes, the line of action of the force is passing through the C point. So I will write it is plus 20 cos 20. If you are not writing, that is also okay. Okay, but you should know why you are not writing. Okay, for the understanding purpose, I will write it into 0. Okay. Next, which force I need to consider? This 20 force or 20 sin 20?
20 sin 20.
Yes. Is it producing clockwise or anti-clockwise? About A point. About C point. So there is no any other force.
Clockwise.
Okay. So this is producing clockwise. That is
Clockwise.
plus 20 sin 20. That is into perpendicular distance. How much?
2 meter.
That is 2 meter. Okay. All of you calculate. How much is the answer?
Minus 371 from room to point.
Yes, 371 point. Yes, Samir, roll number 31, Samir. Roll number 31, Samir. Why you are not in the class? मैंने जो एक्सप्लेन करे वो लिखने का है ना. दिस इम्पोर्टेंट, यू आर नॉट सपोज टू मिस, यू हैव टू बी अटेंटिव. minus 371.32, 371.32, that is kilonewton meter. Okay, so moment about C is equal to 371.32 kilonewton meter. So is it clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
That is
Anti-clockwise.
negative. Okay, so all of you take down. All of you take down first. This is answer and here it is, this is answer. Roll number 1, 2 absent. 1, 2 is absent.
Present.
Roll number 1 is present.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 2 is also present. Okay. Roll number 12. 12 is absent. Twenty-two. $35.
Present, sir.
35 is present. Okay. $46. 46. Okay. Absent numbers 12, 22, 46. Is it correct? Okay. Others are present. Have you taken this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you go for the next problem? Okay. All of you
Yes,
read,
sir.
all of you read down. Okay, read down. If I will take, so this is problem number how much? Number लिखा है क्या नहीं? Are you writing the problem number? No. Okay. So write down. If two forces, of 60 kilonewton, all of you write down 60 kilonewton each other, 60 kilonewton each are required to be equivalent to a single force of 60 kilonewton. Stop. What is the angle between angle between the forces, between the forces. What is the angle between the forces? So first, what he is asking is, okay, given data. Okay, what is given first? Right now, two forces. All of you have written.
Yes, sir.
So he has given, what is he given? You have to write down given data. Two forces, okay, of 60 kilonewton each. Means how much? I will take first force. F1 force is F1 and F2 both are same. He has given. Okay, F1 and F2 both are same. It is equal to 60 kilonewton is given in the problem. Next, are required to be equivalent to a single force of 60 kilonewton. What is this 60 kilonewton? When there are two forces of 60
Resultant.
kilonewton, that is, it is converted into a single force. That is, resultant is given. That is R is equal to, that is also 60 is given. Next, what is the angle between the two forces? What is the angle between the two forces? Means that is
Alpha.
theta. Alpha is resultant ka direction hai. But what he is asking, angle between the forces, how much is the angle between the forces? So this is law of parallelogram of forces. Okay, this is F1 force, this is F2 force. So these two are making an angle theta. Correct? So when you consider
Yes,
this is
sir.
the
Yes, sir.
resultant, so this is making an angle alpha. Okay, so the given is F1 equal to F2 is equal to 60. What we have to find out? So what we have to find out, that is, I will to find. So to find, what I need to find out? Theta is equal to how much I need to find out. Okay, so we know that. What do we know? What we know? We know that the resultant of the resultant. We know that the resultant is given by can you tell me what is the resultant as per the law of parallelogram of forces?
Tan theta is equal to under root
Yes,
F1
wait,
square plus
wait.
F2 square.
As per law of parallelogram of forces. Okay, so that is resultant R is equal to, or I will take it as squaring both sides. R square is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2 times
plus
PQ.
2
Okay,
cos theta.
cos theta.
Cos theta.
You can take P square Q square, or you can take F1 square plus F2 square. Okay, whatever it is. I will take P square and Q square. So if P is equal to Q, both the forces are same, then what it will become? That is P square plus 2 times P square cos theta. Is it correct? This is P square. This Q square I will correct it is P square. This P I will write it is P. Okay, so 2 into P, 2P square cos theta. So what I will do, P square plus P square, it is 2P square plus 2P square cos theta. Okay, so cos theta it is. So what I will do here, I will take the common. What is common here?
2p square.
2p square.
2P square cos. This is R square is equal to, so I will take 2P square is common. Remaining is 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta. So this is 2P square. Okay, 2P square. What is 1 plus cos theta? That is 2 cos square theta by 2. Correct, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, this is 2P square plus this is 2P square. That is 4P square cos square theta by 2. This is R square. So I want R. This R is equal to 2P cos theta by 2. Okay, 2P cos theta by 2. So now you can write it like this. So this is answer for the 2 R cos theta, or equal to 2P cos theta when two forces are same. Okay, so now what I will do, I will write, so R resultant is given. Okay, R is equal to 2P cos theta by 2. What is asked here? Theta is asked. R is given 60. to P. P is how much? It is given 60 kilonewton.
60
60 into cos theta by 2.
theta by 2.
Okay, this 60 get cancelled. Here 1 by 2 is equal to cos theta by 2. So now theta by 2 is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2. How much cos inverse of 1 by 2 means how much? It is 60 degree. Okay,
60 degree.
so theta by 2 is equal to 60 degree. I want theta. Theta is equal to 120 degree.
120 degree.
Okay, so this is the answer for this question. How much it is? That is 120 degree. Okay, this is 120 degree. Everyone, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
all of you read on this one. All of you read on this one. So if you substitute the values directly here only, here only, that is here it is 60, you will get the same theta only. Just to because in the 1 mark questions, in the multiple choice questions, maximum he is giving direct answer. When the two forces are equal to P, then the resultant force is equal to R is equal to 2P cos theta by 2. Okay, then sometime he is asking when the two forces are same, the resultant is also same. Okay, as that of the given forces, then what is the angle between those two forces? That is directly you can say 120. Okay, write on this first. So you can find out by using this formula, or also you can find out by putting the values. Okay, here only. You can also find like that also. Okay, here you can put the values R and P and Q so that you will get the value cos theta. Okay, sabhi ko?
No, sir.
Okay, complete.
Yes, sir.
Complete. Now I will give one problem homework. So I will write here. You have to copy. Okay, one problem for the homework. I will write here. You have to copy that one. Find the angle between. This is homework. Homework. Find the angle between the two forces in the two forces. Find the angle between the two forces of magnitude Is it visible full screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Magnitude 120 Newton each such that their resultant is 60 Newton. Their resultant is 60 Newton. Find the angle between the two forces of magnitude 120 Newton each, such that the resultant is 60 Newton. Okay, this one you have to find out. Everyone, will you try?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
You can use this formula, okay, or you can also use this formula. You have to find out this one. Okay, so next class you have to give me answer for this question. Okay, I will give one more problem you have to try. Okay, so determine resultant and its direction. Determine resultant and its direction of the forces of the forces given in figure. Given in figure.
Sir, repeat again.
Determine resultant and its direction. Resultant and its direction of the forces given in figure. So this is P is equal to 50 Newton force. This is Q is equal to 80 Newton force. This is the resultant. Okay. This is asked and this alpha is asked. This is how much. So this theta is equal to, he has given 30 degree. This theta is given 30 degree. So all of you have to try this one. Okay. So this is also for homework. Will you try these two problems?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. All of you have to try. Okay. You have to try. And you have to get the answer, correct answer.
Yes.
Okay. So we'll stop now here. So we'll continue in the next class. Have you taken problems?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. We'll meet in the next class.